Hey Winsome family, here is your LakshmiKannan with new tip for the day. So today I'm gonna tell you how to do kajal like pro. You have always faced this issue, right? Smudging of kajal. I'm gonna help you how to make your kajal smudge proof. Come on, let's go into the video. So first step is we're gonna take a kajal, okay? We're gonna take kajal and then we're gonna apply it. So what you have to do is just pull your lower lid and then start applying your kajal. And make sure you're applying it like this, not like this. Just you're going to apply it like this and fully you're going to apply. And make sure you have applied enough amount of kajal at the outer corner of your eyes. Okay? Then I'm going to tell you an easy tip. With your index finger, pull it little out so that you'll get a natural wing. Okay? Before it get dries, take your pencil brush and just dip it in the black color a little bit or brown, whatever color you like. Just dust off the excess and then smudge it with that color. So that when we use a powder product on top of cream product, it makes your cream long lasting and smudge proof. So here is the look. I hope you like this trick. If you like it, please do like, share and comment in this video. Bye bye. Meet you in next video.